Before starting the video, I want to give you an important message. I am going to tell you the secret. Many of you ask me so often, many people ask me so oftenly that Ashraf, I am missing the straight and easy caramels. Why we are missing so many caramels? So I must tell you guys this thing. Missing is not the problem. The problem is we are not releasing the striker correctly. Missing is the part of the game. Many people, even the world champions, national champions, big players sometimes miss the very straight and easy caramels. So it is the part of the game. You should not be afraid of missing. It is not in your hand. What is in your hand? Releasing that striker correctly, perfectly from the grip, and that is what you have to practice. That is what in which you need to have a mastery. So we will give you all the tips which can help you in betterment of releasing that striker from your grip correctly and confidently. So let's move ahead. Let's see the video and different types of grip and its uses and the tips which I am going to give you. So let's get started. First we'll talk about natural grip. When you start playing Carrom, automatically your hand adopt one grip. That is your natural grip. It can be like this, it can be like this, it can be like this, it can be like this. It totally depends on your finger size, comfortness and originality. Whichever suits to your hand is your natural grip and original grip. Mostly the natural grip is your combination of index finger and the thumb. Natural grip is the combination of your index finger and thumb. The master tip is there should not be too much distance. There should not be too much distance in between the striker and your index finger. There should not be too much distance in between the striker and index finger. And when you are hitting the striker, when you are leaving the striker, practice this flick. Always practice this flick. Let's see this. This is my natural grip. If I talk about the advantages of the natural grip is you can gain a good control and command over the striker, and another advantage, you don't need much practice comparatively. Moving further, let's talk about disadvantages of this grip. If I want to generate extra power for playing the strokes like bomb, deep cuts, press, for playing these strokes I need extra force. That time if I don't have enough strength in my hand, in my finger like index and thumb, that time I may need to change my grip for applying extra force on the carrom board. So that time it may be disadvantages for some people who don't have enough strength in their hand. Moving further, let's talk about locking grip. This is my original grip from which I am playing right now. This is my real and original grip. I am using the combination of all my four fingers: thumb, index finger, ring finger and little finger. All four I am using to lock this one, lock my index finger, and this is my grip. You can use like this. You can use the index finger, thumb finger and the little middle ring finger. You can use the combination of this three, or you can use the combination of this three as well. The thumb, index finger and the little finger, you can use the combination of this three as well. And I am using the combination of four like this. If I want to play the straight coins, I don't need to lock it too much. Let's say I want to play this caramel, I don't need to lock it too much. Like I am locking it with the thumb and I am just keeping it, I am just touching it. I am not locking it like this. I am not locking it like this. I am just touching it. If I want to play the caramel like this, I don't need to lock it too much. I just need to keep it touch and I can play this caramel. like this. If I want to generate extra power, if I want to apply extra force, that time I can lock it with this. So without changing the grip, I can generate extra power. Is the advantage of this grip. I don't need to change my grip for generating extra power, is the lock and grip. Now let's talk about the scissor grip. For playing with the scissor grip, you need the combination of middle finger and your index finger. You need to keep your index finger on your middle finger and you need to flick it like this. For brake, the scissor grip is used for brakes. 95% players use scissor grip for the brake, for the better brakes. You get the good force with this grip. For this cuts as well. For playing this thumbs, for playing the thumb like this, for playing this double touch. Let's talk about thumbing grip. Thumbing grip means like this. When I started playing Carrom, I used to play thumbs like this, the combination of the thumb and the index finger, but this is not that good. If you want to have a mastery in thumbing, you should develop the grip, the combination of middle finger and the thumb. Now I play the thumbs like this only, the combination with the middle finger and the thumb. This is my real thumbing grip right now, which I developed later on. Now if I say why you need this finger, not this one, if you want to play this Carrom as a bomb, let's say if you want to remove this Carrom, if you want to remove this Carrom from this base area, that time you need to use extra power, so that time you will not get good control with this finger. If you use this combination with the middle finger and the thumb, you can get a good control over the striker and you can generate as much as power you want to apply. So you can use it as bomb as well. So that is the reason I was telling you to use this combination, middle finger and the thumb. This is the perfect and right combination for this thumbs. If I talk about the technique of the spin grip, you need to keep your middle finger flat on the Carrom. This is the straight, this is the flat. You need to keep maximum, as much as possible for you, you need to keep it flat on the Carrom. There are some strokes like the technique. See, if you keep it like this, if I play this Carrom like this, it is very difficult for me to pocket. Means if straight is not possible, but if you play this Carrom with the spin grip, this will easily go into the pocket. You don't need to take any effort. See, this can go easily into the pocket. So this Carrom is not going straight. Say this, it is not possible to pocket. You can pocket it like this, but it is difficult. You need to follow the striker, but with the spin grip, easily you can pocket it. So this is the difference. There are some strokes, for playing those strokes you need to develop the spin grip. If you want to buy Carrom board stand, lampshade stand, coin set, striker, Carrom powder, Carrom cover, Carrom nets, anything and everything related to Carrom board, mycarrom.com is the perfect platform for you guys. You can go check out, you can buy anything and everything related to Carrom. Specialized Carrom board shop it is, and it is the official Carrom board store of Strikeandpocket. So 100% genuine and original product you will get from there. So that's it in this video. I hope you guys found this video useful for you. If you guys found this video useful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of each and every videos of this channel. And also, please share this video with each and every Carrom lovers and help me to reach to all the Carrom lovers so that they also can get benefit from it, and let's add the value in this game. Stay blessed, stay focused, keep playing and keep loving Carrom. Bye bye, see you in the next one.